Hey socialites, welcome back. And if you're new, I'm Ariell. I do mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and a little bit of lifestyle. So if those are the type of videos you enjoy watching, I'd love for you to hit the subscribe button and come join the family. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what's new in my closet. I picked up quite a few things and I kind of wanted to show them to you, some real cool items for the winter time actually. So before we get started, I do want to thank Quince for sponsoring this portion of today's video. If you're not familiar with Quince, they're an online retailer that sells beautiful luxury clothes at a very impressive price point. They also have household items, pajamas, they even have beauty like skincare and even fragrances. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So starting off is this 100% cashmere sweater that I'm wearing, which is so warm and comfortable, y'all. Love the color. I'm all stocked up on jeans at the moment and bottoms in general. So when I was browsing the site, I was mostly looking at sweaters for the winter time that I could mostly pair with jeans. And I pretty much stick to the neutral colors, especially when it comes to sweaters. I got it in a size extra large because I wanted it to fit a little bit big. I also like the length of this, that I could sort of tuck it up or tuck it in the front of my jeans and let it hang out on the sides a little bit. That's pretty much how I like to wear oversized sweaters, y'all, and this is so comfy. Next up is this beautiful cable knit sweater. This one is 100% Mongolian cashmere. Super soft as well. Now this is more of like a cropped situation, like a short. It comes like at the waist for me, which is so cute. Now I would more so wear this with either a skirt or high-waisted jeans, higher waisted than the jeans that I wore when I tried it on. Absolutely love this color and the fit. I got a size large. For reference, I'm a woman size 12, 14. I'm about 5'9", like 5'8" and a half, 5'9", about 190 pounds. So next up is a cardigan. Y'all, I got this dark gray cardigan. The color is so stinking cute. Now this one is also 100% Mongolian cashmere, super soft. So I could wear this with a t-shirt underneath or a camisole underneath to layer with and just have it open, or I can button it up and wear it just like a regular shirt, jeans, and go. Next up is my favorite piece that I picked up from Quince, and this is a cable knit sweater in like an off-white color, and it is thick and heavy, y'all. Even though it's heavy, it doesn't feel super hot because obviously the cable knit, it's breathable, it has holes in it all throughout it, but the fit is so perfect. I got this one in a size large as well, and this one is made out of 100% organic cotton. The quality of this is 10 out of 10, but the quality of all the pieces, to be honest, are really nice. So y'all know I had to get t-shirts. If you know anything about my clothing hauls, I always get like fitted t-shirts. But y'all, I'm gonna be honest, these are the better quality t-shirts than the ones that I pick up from my go-to place. So this one is made out of 91% organic cotton and 9% elastane. So it's just a fitted crew neck white t-shirt. It's really stretchy and it's thick. Like, it feels way different than the t-shirts I get. I feel like this is gonna last a little bit better. Love the quality of this. I also got the same t-shirt in a white long sleeve. I also picked it up in a long sleeve black as well. And next up is this slip skirt in a chocolatey brown, you guys. And when I got this, I had an outfit in mind that I wanted to wear, which is the jacket that I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit. So this skirt is made out of 100% silk and it feels really good. Like, the quality is excellent. It has an elastic waistband. Now I picked this up in a size extra large and it is significantly big. Like, I had to tuck it under the jacket and button the jacket down just so that it could stay in place. So I definitely needed a large in this. Still so cute. I would love to get this in like a navy blue color and maybe even a red if they have it in red. I could pair this with a jacket, a cardigan, a t-shirt. Like, slip skirts are like endless to style, even like a blazer. The last item I picked up is this robe. It's a waffle textured robe, which I wanted one of these last year for Christmas, and so I'm glad I was able to pick it up on Quince. It's made out of 100% organic cotton. So it's really soft, but it's breathable at the same time. The sleeves are like a 3/4 length sleeve, which I can appreciate, and it's long. I love long robes. I prefer my robes to be like past the knee length. And so yeah, so happy to have this. And I needed a new white robe. I got it in a size large, which fits perfect. So that's all I picked up from Quince. Everything I mentioned I'll have linked below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. A huge thank you to Quince for sponsoring this portion of today's video. And moving on to some jackets that are new to my collection. I got most of these. I got all of them except one I got from Zara. Now this first one I showed you guys already during the haul, but you didn't see it on. Brown distressed leather and shearling jacket that is just so cute. It's heavy and it's hot. So this is one that I'll have to sort of reserve when it gets really cold outside. So again, probably like around February. We may get a couple of days of like real live cold before that, but not much. Anyways, it's so cute. It's cropped. So I could wear this with leggings. I could wear this with a skirt. I could wear it with jeans if I wanted to. Like, this is like a statement piece that would just jazz up any outfit like instantly. Love this. And the next piece from Zara is this faux leather, and I think the brown is definitely faux leather too, because I think the jacket was like $119 or something like that. So next up is this all black faux leather jacket. It does button at the sleeve, so it goes a little tighter. It zips up with the overlapping front, and it ties at the waist, girl, and that's really what makes it just so cute and such a standout is the fact that it ties at the waist. It does have pockets, but they're faux pockets, girl, so they're not real. But either way, I just think it's adorable. When you tie it at the waist, it ends up looking something like a peplum type of look. That's gonna make it look good with like a pencil skirt, a slip skirt, jeans, leggings, a bodysuit, anything. Like, so cute. This jacket is fire. And next up, I got this from Zara when it came out. So it was like a month, more than a month ago, maybe a month and a half or so ago. And this one might already be on sale because Black Friday, I saw that it was like 40% off already, girl. I did get it in a size large, and the other two jackets are in a large as well. This is a denim cropped jacket with a detachable fur collar. How cute is this? This is so cute. When I was growing up, my mom used to make us these. Like, she would go to the thrift store and get like faux furs and cut them and make collars and attach them to our denim jackets. Like, she did that from the time we were like little, girl, like first grade all the way up to like middle school. And so this is what it sort of reminded me of. Cropped jackets are so flattering on me, so I love that it's cropped. It buttons all the way up. And yeah, I probably won't be detaching the collar because I have quite a few denim jackets already that don't have a fur collar. But girl, it's just so cute, and I love the shade of denim that it is. Last is another denim jacket. Now this one is more of a dark denim jacket. It's another cropped jacket that's fitted in the waist, and you can actually make it tighter if you want to here. Now I can't remember if I showed you guys this or not because I did pick this up in New York, but I finally just wore it, started pulling it out and wearing it over like the past couple of weeks or so. So I thought I'd show you guys. So I picked this up at the Levi's store. I did get this one in the size large as well. I kind of went back and forth if I wanted to get a medium or a large because I do like my denim jackets like fitted really snug to where I could wear them as a shirt type of look. When I wear cropped denim, I prefer to wear as like a denim shirt sometimes and not so much as like an actual jacket, even though I will. The sleeves on the medium came up kind of like that, so I opted to get the large, which still fits though, and yeah, I think it's just so cute. So that's it for what's new in my closet. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If they still have these jackets available, I'll have them in the description box, so be sure to check that out. And if you're new here, welcome. I'd love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.